Hi guys, I have 90% furnace. It keeps on and off, so I have to find out. I have to put tape here, then I have to put switch on. First I thought maybe the issue with the coil and the heat, it has too much air for pressure switch. Nothing. And then I open this one just in case. I said maybe because they are putting glue, it's hard. This one it should be glued, this one it shouldn't. Over here sometimes to see if it's clogged or not, so I cannot give you the reason why I cut this way. So maybe the vent is clogged. Okay, this is turn off, and then turns again. Didn't check the gas. I have 27. It's good, but it turns off immediately. And then to check flame sensor. Check flame sensor. What the problem is in brand new system. Brand new system. Wow, flame sensor is good. Flame sensor is good. Flame sensor is good, but I have to test it with to make sure. Oh, already guess, but I will figure out. Shouldn't be. Not to put it inside, so okay. Okay. Diagnostic. Oh. Yeah, it's good. I have to put it back. My system keeps on off. Why? So, and then this one I already check it and roll if it's closed. It's closed. I open this one. I said maybe airflow. Why it keeps on or off? So I have to find out. All connections is connected, because sometimes one time I find one is not connected over here, and pressure switch and gas was off. Now it sounds like, for me it sounds like doesn't give any power to flame sensor, because when system it turns like this now on, high surface igniter is on, and then pressure switch, and then gas it kicks. and then it should be flame sensor A. I get signal like this, and then it says to board. Okay, I'm good now. Just send the blower, but blower is not coming to as well. Before flame sensor, something happened to the flame sensor. I have to find out, so I have to look, because new construction is very tight when they're doing maybe like this. Let me check its wires. No. It's oh, what is that? What? Why this for flame is cut? Wow. That's the reason. Maybe that's the reason. That's the reason. So I have to fix it. Maybe the one issue. I hope so. The system keeps off and on and doesn't give any power. How in the hell this one is cut? I have to use it like this. Maybe the problem is, so I have to find out. That's why reason the flame sensor doesn't have any power. And the LED light before it says something plug, vents or something. You can see now high surface igniter is on. And then pressure switch, and then gas. Yeah. Turn on. I'm waiting for the blower. It's not turning off anymore. As long as the blower, now I can hear this control board, it kicks and sensor sends signal. I'm ready. The blower starts soon. Spinning. Yeah, it's good. I'm glad I found the issue. Now you can feel the smoke here. I had to put the joints and system turn on. No more off and on. Thank you guys for watching. I hope we'll see you next time. Thank you.